Is it shaken? Is it stirred? Is it made with vodka? Is it made with gin? Who cares? The best martini is the martini that you want to drink. What is the crack, guys? My name is the Rusty Bartender. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're in for a treat. On this channel, we make cocktails, and actually, I'm making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. More than half the way through the book, but today's cocktail is the Dry Martini. So the first written reference to a Dry Martini was in 1904, and it was a 50-50 split base of gin and dry vermouth. There are so many different versions of martinis. There's vodka martinis, gin martinis, dry, wet, dirty, filthy, Gibsons. We could go into them all, but that's another video. Today's video is the Dry Martini. So top tip, if you're making a martini, make sure everything is cold already. Keep your vermouth and your gin in the fridge before you're gonna make this drink. Mixing glass, keep in the freezer. Everything chilled, everything's gonna be nice. Okay, so 2.5 ounces of a London dry gin. I'm using Tanqueray today. Now, 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth in this recipe. I was just gonna say, working in bars for years, used to get people coming in maybe on a Friday night or Saturday night, any night of the week actually, and they had never had a martini before. They ordered one. Now, if you've never had a martini before and you're not used to drinking straight spirits, just don't do it. Do your bartender a favor, because you're going to think there's something wrong with that. It's just pure alcohol. Why would anyone want to drink that? You need to get used to it. Then we're just going to add 1 dash of orange bitters. Fill your mixing glass with ice, and we're going to stir for about 20 to 30 seconds. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and all that good stuff. Ooh, this is a good time for me to tell you, coming up on the channel is 17 cocktails for St. Patrick's Day, leading up to St. Patrick's Day. So it'll be from March the 1st right up to March the 17th. 17 Irish cocktails for St. Patrick's Day that are actually going to be good cocktails and not just rubbish ones that somebody's made up. These are from good bartenders, well-known bartenders across the world. Okay, here we go, the martini time. Make sure your glass is chilled. Using a little Nick and Nora for this one. And you want to express some lemon oil into your drink. A good way of doing this is by just pouring from a height. I think the Connaught Bar in London uses that technique. And oh, beautiful. Drop your twist in. There you go, folks. The martini, Dry Martini. Shaken, not stirred. He's talking bollocks, isn't he? All right, give it a sip. There is something about a well-made martini. I mean, it's so simple. It's 3 ingredients. Amazing. Great drink. We'll see you on the next one, folks. Cheers.